Got a new batch of handmade leather coffee coasters. I do this for fun and practice. Actually, I came up with a new template, a new shape, a little bit smaller coffee coaster not long ago. So I tried it out and I made one for myself. Today's my birthday. So October 19th. I can't remember what year though. The coffee coasters are just something I have fun with. I can keep my skills honed with the leather carving or my set stamping. I did some symmetrical or there's another word for it. I'm lost at it right now, but just went through my drawer with my stamping tools and picked out some unique ones, drew some circles, and just had a lot of fun stamping these. So I'll kind of showcase these and give you a close-up view of what they look like. Thanks for watching.